Welcome to this tutorial on how to find your TradingView ID. In this video, we will walk you through the simple steps to locate your unique identifier on the TradingView platform. Whether you need it for sharing your charts or collaborating with others, knowing your TradingView ID can be very helpful. First, open your web browser and go to the TradingView website. If you are not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you are logged in, look for your profile picture or avatar in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the Profile option to navigate to your profile page. On your profile page, you will see your username displayed prominently. This username is often the same as your TradingView ID. However, to find the exact ID, take a closer look at the URL in your browser's address bar. Your TradingView ID will be the string of numbers and letters at the end of this URL. It will usually look something like tradingview.com/u/your username, where your username is your unique ID. Now that you have your TradingView ID, you can easily share it with others or use it for various purposes on the platform. Remember, this ID is unique to your account, so make sure to keep it handy for any collaborations or inquiries you may have in the TradingView community. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and happy trading!